Good morning. It is about, what time is it? 8 something. 8 something. We just took showers and left the campground. We are on to another adventure. So right now we just got to Natural Bridges Scenic Viewpoint. Check, that's dope. Yeah, it's pretty. That's dope. That's dope. They went the wrong way. Why did they go that way? They went the wrong way. They went the wrong way. They went the wrong way. It says no ocean access.
No ocean access. You know, that's just part of natural selection, you know? Some people
Yeah, it just calls them right in.
Yeah.
But that is dope. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk over there, down over there, down over there. Bang! Where? Over there? That one. We gotta find a way up there. That's pretty crazy. Look at that water. That water's so blue.
There's for sure a great white in there.
Definitely not. They don't exist. I've been trying to tell this guy, he doesn't listen. These great white sharks don't exist. It's a conspiracy theory. But all right, we're gonna make our way down there and try to get right on the tippy top of that little freaking arch. And these guys are gonna fucking perish.
Damn, so you go all the way down there?
Check out this view. All right, time to descend down the cliff. So we made it on top of the natural bridge. Pretty epic view right here. Sea caves, the blue water, great whites. We got it all. Took some cool pictures. Let me know what you thought about that footage because it was pretty dope on the screen. Then you got the rest of the coastline right down there. And then the people that we saw walking down the hill up there, they're right there. Looks like they're gonna make it back. Looks like we're probably gonna make it back before them. But all right, we're gonna go. We're gonna leave and we're gonna go to Crater Lake National Park, the only national park in Oregon. Let's do it. By a little river, well, kind of a big river. I forget what the river's called, but we stopped here. I was gonna take some pictures of the foliage. Osman's gonna try to catch a quick fish, see what he can get over here by the little river. And yeah, stop in this area. We're on our way to Crater Lake National Park, so we figured we'd just stop real quick. Kind of rushing on time, but let's stop right here. Looks pretty nice. Got his tackle box. What is that, orange peel?
Yeah.
Here, bait?
No.
Where's the worms, bro?
From Lily.
Oh, where's the worms?
You've been chosen to
started a blizzard out here. So it's a whiteout, we can't see anything. We're trying to make our way down to the, I was kind of going away. Make our way down to the visitor center so we can see the island crater lake. And then we're gonna be off to Blockbuster, the last Blockbuster in the world. So the snow is really coming down now. It's really snowing out. It looks like a winter wonderland. Crazy. But probably not even gonna be able to see anything when we come over here. Waste of a drive. But the good thing is, since Osmond's here, we got him for free because he's military.
Yes, sir.
So we didn't have to pay. So let's just check out this lake that we aren't gonna be able to see. So there's a big lake here, but you can't see anything. All right. Great fun.
Woo!
And it's cold.
Crater Lake.
Guys, the weather cleared right up.
You're welcome.
And we finally got a view thanks to Jesus Osmond.
Yep.
What a view that is. So there's a few mysteries about this lake. There's no outlets, right? So when it rains and pours, the water never fills up. But they don't know where the water goes for it to not fill up.
The lake never fills up.
It's crazy. And the lake also never freezes over. What's the other mystery you said?
There's a log.
There's a log. We'll let him tell you.
So supposedly there's a haunted log floating around Crater Lake that they're unable to take out the lake because something catastrophic happens. Look it up.
Look it up. There's a lake. Oh, there's the log right there. No, I don't know what the log is, but
There's a log.
supposedly he told me that they went scuba diving to try to get this log. Some guy drowned.
I didn't say that. What the heck?
He told me. I'm just saying what he's told me. A boat was trying to get this log out, and it capsized. 14 people died. What is that? What's that thing?
What? Nothing. Little cabin?
Is it a house little thing?
Yeah.
Pretty epic view right here.
All of the time we spent together, in our prime we were birds of a feather, different kind. We were laughing through the pain, you were never once so vain.
Look where we are. The last Blockbuster on the planet. Yeah, they did. Of course they did. Oh my god. And it smells just like how Blockbuster used to smell.
Oh.
When they have the taxes. 99 cents for 7 days.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
There's a coming soon list. They still update their shit.
Yeah. This is crazy. Let's walk around. Kids movies. Where's the horror movies? I always used to come and find the horror movie, the horror section.
Hey.
So kids, if you're watching this is what how we used to watch movies. With the VCRs.
This is a VHS tape.
VHS, VCR.
And that's a VCR. Whoa.
Look at this.
How much is that?
That's dope. I don't think it's for sale. Gift cards, shit like this. What else you got in here? This tape. These come in. To get a board game. And then I always used to get these AOL things in the mail.
It's my girl.
Who? Oh, Brie Larson. Whose is this? What's this? Oh, who is that? Oh, that's Russell Crowe?
Yeah.
From, was that Gladiator?
It's like Robin Hood.
So this is from Russell Crowe. He came here and he actually signed that. That's pretty cool.